name is Alain. I'm a Rwandan dancer. I'm going to teach you today the 3 steps based in our culture. Those 3 steps, they are gucunda, gutemba, and kugwamunga.
By the way, guys, go support my project. I want to open a gym in Rwanda next year. Check out the GoFundMe page, the first link in the description of this video. Let us look at the steps we're going to learn today.
First things you have to listen to the song. This is called umuchundo. It's called the guchunda. You have to smile. This is called gutemba.
Okay guys, so at each step we're going to talk about the feet, the arms and the face. Step 1, Kuchunda, the feet.
So we are going to start on the first step called guchunda. Okay, twagiye.
Let us rewind that real quick and pay close attention at the feet. So it is 3 steps to the left and 3 steps to the right. Pay attention on the first step though. Next, the arms. Stretch your arms fully and bend them at the turn. Watch how Alain does it.
You go like this. Ta, 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 ta.
And the last from step 1, the face. Smile and look at your public.
Like this, you have to look in front. You have to look your public and you smile for attracting them. So this is the first step called guchunda.
Step 2, Kutemba.
We are going on the next step called gutemba. It goes like this.
First, let us look at the feet. It is 5 steps to the left and 5 steps to the right. Next, it's the arms. This is a bit complicated. You fluently stretch and retract the arms within the 5 footsteps. You initiate the fluent straightening of the arms on the 5th count, like this.
Let's go. Chant, 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 chant.
And the face. You look at the opposite side of where you're stepping and make sure to turn your head on the 5th count, slowly and fluently.
Chant, 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 chant. This is Mtembo, is the second step of Is the second step I teach you today.
Step 3. Kugwamunga.
So if you're going to end our dance or your choreography, you have to end with Kugwamunga. But Kugwamunga, you have many steps of Kugwamunga as your wish, as your knowledge and experience. I'm going to show you one the best for all levels. It goes like this.
The feet. It is 3 steps, 2 with the right foot and 1 with the left foot. You turn in 3 big steps. Make sure to land in a big lunge with your arms fully straightened. The arms. Make a wave motion led by your shoulders. Land softly in a huge lunge with your arms fully straightened. The face. Spot while you turn. Fix your eyes on one point when you're turning. Like this.
It goes like this.
Now, let us connect all 3 steps with music.
First things you have to listen to the song. This is called Umuchundo. It's called the Guchunda. You have to smile. This is called Gutemba.
Guys, thank you for watching. We dance in the same dance group called Inhawe Nakata Troupe. If you like to learn Rwandan traditional dance, you can contact us on the links below the video. Thank you.
We love you. Turabakunda cyane.
Now watch me struggle, guys, as I try to learn from Alain. Disclaimer though, I didn't know that I was supposed to dance. I was just busy recording this footage for you guys.